Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to update your cover photo on your Google Business profile as well as the additional information section on your profile. So first, to update the cover photo on your profile, that is the photo that will show up when people Google your business. So this one right here. And to update that, you're going to go to Add Photo, Cover Photo, and then drag and drop whatever photo you want to be public facing on your Google Business profile. Next, I'm going to be showing you how to update the additional information on your profile. So you're going to select Edit Profile and scroll all the way down to where it says More and then From the Business. Go ahead and click that little pencil and fill in any of these questions right here, as well as this additional information right here. If you have a wheelchair accessible ramp, any amenities that you guys have or anything like that, updating this information will really help your profile stand out to others.